What's going on, everyone? I hope you're having an awesome day so far, and welcome back to another episode of Chuck's Customs. So a few weeks ago, a coworker of mine asked me if I wanted this little cart for my garage. He said, you could put tools on it and stuff, and I was like, I'm a pack rat, why not? But once I got the thing home, I unloaded it off the truck, and it sat on the side of my house for like 3 weeks. But then, the other day when I was cleaning and reorganizing the garage, I realized I don't have a welding cart, and this thing's the perfect size for my welder. As you can see, the cart's a little bit past its prime. It's not really the nicest looking cart, and it's really not the most functional. So today, we're going to do what we do best. We're going to customize this little baby. We're going to make it a little more welder appropriate. Let's get to it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. A nice, quick little one-day project to help make the shop a little bit more functional and a little bit more custom. I'm not gonna lie, it actually turned out a little bit better than I expected. The only thing I wish I did a little bit differently is the drawer slides. I don't know why, but I can never seem to get drawer slides to cooperate. So if you've ever welded anything before, you know the metal kind of warps and shifts as you're welding it. And that's exactly what happens. So now the drawer kind of sticks when you try to push it in or pull it out. So it's whatever. That's what I get for trying to be extra. But either way, that's going to be it for today's episode, everyone. If you liked what you saw, be sure to give that thumbs up button some love. If you didn't like what you saw, or you have suggestions for a future episode, let me know in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you guys. And like always, if you want to see what we're going to be getting into next time, be sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. So everyone, thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time on another episode of Chuck's Customs.